How about some homemade chicken noodle soup in less than an hour? I'll show you how to make this comfort food classic starting right now. Celery, onions, and carrots. You need to peel your carrots. Dice up the celery and onions and cut the carrots into discs. Canola oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat and get your vegetables in there. Season with salt, pepper, and optional Cajun or Creole seasoning. Stir and cook for about 6 or 7 minutes or until everything goes nice and soft. Add in 2 or 3 cloves of sliced or minced garlic. Stir and cook for 1 more minute. I'll link to the full recipe down in the description. Pour in 2 quarts of homemade or store-bought chicken stock. Use a lower sodium variety if you can. Add in some fresh thyme and a couple of bay leaves. Let this hang out at a low simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. While you wait, you need to pull the meat from a store-bought rotisserie chicken. You could roast a chicken on your own if you like, or you could cook some chicken breast if you want to keep it lighter. Now you know we don't boil or simmer chicken around here. If I catch you trying to boil chicken, I'm going to drop you off at school in the morning, but I'm driving you all the way up to the main entrance. All your friends are going to see you getting out of Dad's car, and you're going to be super embarrassed. It's going to ruin your social life. Get a package of regular, wide, or home-style egg noodles. Toss them in and let them cook according to the package directions. When they're done, kill the heat and stir in your pulled chicken. Pull out the thyme sprigs and bay leaves, and you're ready to eat. Ladle this into some bowls and get ready for a Netflix session. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Visit my website and sign up to get my newest recipes in your inbox every week. There's a link down below. If you'd like another great cool weather recipe, watch this video right here.